Hi there, time for the digital marketing news this week. Let's dive into it. 2024 was a record year for Google ad suspensions with over 5.1 billion ads that were stopped. Most of the restrictions happened in these spaces, so it's really important that you get your checklist for requirements for Google Ads in order. Legal requirements, financial services, gambling and games, copyright, healthcare and medicine, and alcohol. Google will likely only get stricter with its policies, so make sure you understand them going into 2025. Google filed a new patent this week that could redefine search. This new patent uses search history, email interface, and voice-based assistance to improve search results, but it doesn't stop there. The new system is going to use spoken or typed queries and then apply filters such as topics, time, or device. Then it limits the search content to meet that criteria. So by using everybody's personal search history and their email content and their voice search history, it's going to make things much more personalized and more of an intranet than the whole internet. Hubspot just came out with a bunch of new tools this week. By the way, Ignite Visibility, our company, is a Hubspot partner, so we do a lot of HubSpot work. And with over 200 new product updates, it's an exciting time to be using HubSpot. Their AI product, Breeze, has a new customer service agent, knowledge base agent, prospecting agent, and content agent. They also rolled out lookalike lists, and that could help quite a bit with lead targeting and qualification. There's also a new way to map customer journey based off of real-time customer behavior and inputs. There's some updates to multi-account management and new AI workspaces for sales, support, and the success teams. Google came out this week and they said that structured data is still necessary, and that's regardless of everything that's happening with AI. So even though AI models are evolving quickly, they still recommend doing structured data because it makes it easier for the AI models to read what's going on. If you don't want to have something in the AI overviews, you can use the robots no snippet tag, and then Google will not use that in AI overviews. We now know where most AI citation content is coming from. 46 to 70% of AI content comes from product content. 5 to 16% comes from news or research articles. Less than 10% comes from affiliate content. 3 to 10% comes from reviews, forums, and QA sites. 3 to 6% comes from blog content, and less than 2% comes from PR materials. We've been doing a lot of work lately to analyze AI overviews and get clients listed inside of them. It's really nice because many of them will actually show you on the side where they're pulling the information from inside of Google. Our process is pretty simple: to map all the inputs and then to do our best to get you into those inputs, and then to make sure you're feeding the right information into the AI systems. AI, it's that time right now. 90% of B2B buyers are clicking on citations within AI overviews when doing product or service research. So if you're in B2B, you definitely want to get in those AI overviews. LinkedIn is continuing to ramp up its site so that it can be more content creator centric. This week, they launched a new creator hub, and it offers suggestions on how to create content that grabs people's attention. It also helps you improve your content strategy. There's another section that helps you optimize your content, and then another section that helps you grow and gives you things like technical requirements for video, text, images, newsletters, and going live. Microsoft just launched a new Monetize experience full of AI-powered tools, a revamped homepage, and platform improvements. The goal is to help publishers and advertisers get more visibility and control. It's also now officially integrated with Copilot. You're going to get performance highlights, revenue and troubleshooting insights, and a couple other tools. TikTok just launched a couple new things that could really help your advertising. There's a new video exclusion list, and that allows advertisers to block individual video IDs from appearing next to their ads. And this gives them a ton more control. Now, they also rolled out a new profile feed exclusion list. So now brands can exclude ads from running alongside specific TikTok user profiles. And this adds another layer of customization for those sensitive placements. Reddit added partner collaboration to its ad manager for the first time. The new tool is designed to help advertisers and agencies advertise co-branded content on both advertisers and the partner's profile, extend an advertiser's credit line to an agency so that they can be billed directly. It also allows you to easily collaborate with partners in one consolidated place, and of course, advertise on the client's behalf. That's it for the digital marketing news this week. A few action items for you. Check out the new HubSpot tools. Try some of those new TikTok targeting targeting options. Keep doing structured data because AI likes it. Start optimizing for AI now if you haven't been already. It's really important all of a sudden. We'll help you if you want. Check out LinkedIn's new Creator Hub. Finally, in case you missed it, this week, Ignite Visibility, where I'm CEO, we acquired a company called Outliant. Outliant's a leading website development and technology agency. We're so excited about the combined forces of the companies together. Expect us to be bringing more value to the market than ever before. Same teams, more capabilities. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you next week. Goodbye.